yeah. Lindsay did that Thursday night.
We ended up getting, the other team started it, but it ended up, we got a $500 fine and they got a $500 fine.
I'm just glad they sat on it because that's not why my kids are here anyway. I want them to learn good sportsmanship, not pass.
Oh, it's the goalie. It's the goalie. Jeez. Oh, it's all right.
And all the travel that we did with my daughter compared to the boy, the banner from the sidelines for female soccer is really ratcheted up versus male soccer when you get to the higher level. It's some of the moms are like crazy.
Crazy.
I mean, they actually have to get removed. You know.
I think I saw it at the Coast Cup. The one team that was playing was just ridiculous.
Go, Lance. Tack the ball. All right.
Come on, Aaron.
I think most places you got to sign a contract of behavior for player, parents.
And frankly, the fact that you have to do that is disturbing. I mean, I'm glad
Like she had all this dirt stuff on spoon flying off the out of her.
Nice.
Nice job.
Oh.
Get on it, Aaron.
Go, Aaron.
Go, Aaron.
Did you practice the team talk last year?
Yes.
Last year after the
then they
three tournament, they removed MOT removed 2 coaches.
Yeah, there were
Because they
softball
didn't
players
like
there, and
what
the
was
boys
going
would
on. They
try
didn't
and
like
get the girls.
the way the coaches were handling themselves. And frankly, I was thrilled about it because I just love
No,
it.
that is a good move. We had the same thing with All-Stars in softball, MOT.
Over there somewhat close because his son can run.
One was supposed to be the All-Star coach because the team won
I hate driving over there too.
had the best
I
record,
drive
and
that.
the board of directors wouldn't allow it because too many parents complained saying he's basically an a-hole and
Yeah.
he treats people horrible. And
Yeah, I was thrilled.
so I was happy about that.
Yeah, I was thrilled with the message it sent to
And for indoor soccer, there are no practices. You just show up on Saturdays.
the
and
rest
love
of
it.
the league. I just really
It's
like
not
that.
indoor soccer, it's soccer.
It's all for the kids. I mean, these are kids.
Go, Aaron.
You know what?
Good job, Aaron. Go, 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 go. Oh, good pass.
Nice pass.
Good, good.
Nice follow. Nice follow.
Oh, nice save.
Yeah, that should have been in.
It would be. I mean, everyone's kicking. I'm not putting my
Oh,
face to
go,
it.
Lance.
Right down in that.
Yeah.
She should love soccer and want to get up early.
Cry my kids out this morning, out of bed this morning.
I know.
It's getting warm.
It's cold, it's miserable, it's dark.
Remember we didn't go to practice because we drove over there.
This
Oh yeah, he came late.
Oh, wait. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Not this past Thursday.
The rain one?
The
Yeah.
rain Thursday. He came 30 minutes late. And
Oh,
he yelled
the
at
next
the
game's right here. Germany next to
Then we just went to dinner.
Yeah, you went to my prom.
My other one's playing.
And he doesn't email or call or text.
But yeah, you're right.
Nobody else was there.
Why are we waiting 30 minutes? Wasting our time. Hold on, 15 minutes now.
I know, that's what we thought. We waited 10 minutes and we're like,
What's
okay,
tough
now
was when the
he's
first
here.
game was
That was
Raining.
fun.
Probably
the
just
last
forgot to
game
do
was
what.
2:33. Big shot.
I would give him a piece of my mind personally, but I don't know that. He yelled at him.
I don't know him very well either.
You can take it.
You can take it.
Just some of the kids from our last team signed up with him again, so
At
we
least they
kind of
all
wanted
play
to just
soccer
keep
and they all
those
play
same
inside
four
the same
girls.
bubble. I really, it's every day, but I really have no
That's the one
complaints.
thing I don't like about not being on travel is you
And it helps
always
too
have
that I
to
love
be
all
team
three of the
players,
coaches.
unless you request.
Oh, did you request?
I was thrilled
Yeah,
at
we
that
requested to play with good because like 5 other girls, 4 other girls requested too.
Go, 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 go.
Get on it, Aaron.
Nice. Take it all the way,
Go.
Take a long one. I want to see a long one for like 20 yards because they always want to just roll it up and just kick it in. Like, take a long one. Have some fun.
Sometimes I think they don't kick hard enough to get it from that far.
Well, I like the other U12.
I don't like that it takes them so long to set up because I feel like it gives the other team
Yeah.
the equal amount of time to set up.
She's just really good. She's no question. She's the best player.
Joe.
And, it was kind of nice because last year her
Oh,
and another,
Oh, we played soccer.
keep it. Keep possession, girls.
one of the other like, really good
Half the
players
time it's on the opposing team.
got into the
Oh, good.
Nice.
shifted and just put the minutes on. I was very coach called her and the other, her daughter and the other one were in practice. Really laid into it.
Played
Oh,
Go get it, Yellow! Yellow, get it! You don't want to head it, you want to just take control.
Girls can do
But it was very gratified for that.
Oh, she's hot now.
Sent the right message for at this level what we're doing.
She called the ball. She goes over there in the corner and calls for it. There you go.
Right.
So she can't do that. She just arbitrarily takes it.
You gotta tell her that.
I know, I will. That was an offensive pass and she threw it to the wrong player. Where she is? Nice. Go, go, go.
Come on, go get that ball.
Passed a nice one up.
Don't stop, Paige. Get that ball.
Nice. I wasn't sure which one of those two were going to stroke out
coming out for the corner flag.
They were
Yeah.
tense.
I wish I didn't stay for the end, and I should have because it sounded like it was exciting.
That's right, you had to get home for football, right?
Yeah.
That was
Corner
it was a lot
again.
of fun. That was an interesting one. They had the other team that we played had probably 35, 40 parents watching it, and I think we had like 40
Corner,
parents. We actually didn't have as many parents as most kids on the field, so it's kind of like we're looking around. Where's everybody?
I know.
But it was the other parents were actually starting to chirp a little bit louder than maybe was necessary, and we're like, I hope this isn't going to turn into that environment. And it was funny because Rick knew the other coach. I don't know if
Just
you
kick
I know I've
it.
seen
Yeah,
it around
kick it all the way, you know.
Yeah.
but they apparently worked it back together, so he knew them. And it was funny because watching those two coaches interact and make you have fun, and they were just enjoying the moment.
Right.
Changed the whole environment for the parents
Right.
because we realize that they're having fun. That this is not a
Yellow, get back!
moment.
Right.
Bring it back.
Yeah, Rick was telling me that he and the other
Keep it in. Stay on it, guys. Stay on it.
All right, Yellow, get it, Yellow! Go!
5 or 6 times.
All right, good pass.
Kick it down the field.
All right.
You know, in the running to be first place for once, you know.
Yeah.
Kind of,
Page, hard throw in. Go down the field, girls. Yellow, go down, go down. Go back, Yellow, back.
On the other side of the coach's box.
They
Yeah, there were other coaches throwing them out, but he was throwing them out in a fun way. It was just a lot of fun, but it changed the whole dynamic for the parents on the side.
So,
So,
the little kids are like, go big, big. Because they'll like sit back.
Go big.
Like they won't be paying attention to what they're doing. They'll be like looking over there.
we slide back.
And Katie got hurt.
In the box, girls. Throw it up in the box.
She was watching the little kids. They're entertaining. They're so
Does
cute.
make it
They'll like
a couple
skip
degree
across to court and everything. Rather than with the other when Miss Bianca got mad at them for watching us and not doing what they were supposed to. They got the soccer ball taken one time, so they did something wrong.
Nice, nice.
Get there, like,
There it is, girls. Aw.
that's our baby.
Kick it in, Aaron, right there.
Oh.
Aw. I knew she had a space and a foot.
at least she showed initiative, though. I'm proud of her.
Now she don't want my book.
She's playing on the parents no passion, very difficult.
Same here.
Same as us.
Go to lunch.
Got a breakfast.
Our son's bribing us for a sizzly.
They said.
Lay like a cat.
Outside, outside, Yellow. Outside, Yellow. Not inside, not inside. Oh!
Come on, Tosh.
I don't know, I might stop.
Pumpkin donut.
Nice.
Nice. Good job, goalie. Good kick. Go,
Go,
Aaron.
go, Aaron! Our backup goalie's not here, that's why she's not in.
I know ours isn't either. The backup goalie's not here, so ours isn't either.
Stay on it, stay on it. Yeah.
Stay on it!
That's the funny part is my Tasha right there will play soccer.
Quick, Yellow, quick!
Exactly. Come on, Paige, that's yours. That's yours, Paige.
Don't let him push you around, Adam.
Get it, get it, get it. Nice, nice. Oh, you get by her, it's a goal.
Come on, Tom.
Go!
There it is.
Send it!
Defense. All right. Nice job, Sailor. Keep it going. Go. Woo. Good job.
Go, yellow! Still in. Kick it in, girls.
Go,
It's right
girl.
there. It's in the danger zone. Nice, nice.
Go, go, go.
Kick it. Don't wait. They got man on. They got to kick it and get rid of it.
Come on, baby. Maddie, watch your walking, all right? Watch offside. Watch the last player, Maddie. Now she can run. Now there's gas.
Hey, yellow, get deep. Yellow, get deep so it doesn't get past the...
Walking for the last 10 minutes, but now there's gas. Playing awesome, Blue. Good job.
You want to get deep, yellow. You can't get a pass for a goal.
Go to it, Blue. Go to it. Fight
Go, yellow. Up, go, yellow.
Don't stop.
Stay
Don't
with it,
stop.
Madison.
Go, go.
Go.
Get that ball.
There it is.
The
There
most
it is.
aggressive player always wins the ball. And then this sitting there, and this guy's next to it, but they don't get it because everyone comes and gets it. You can't teach that until they want it.
Lindsay's too nice in the first one.
Watch offside, man.
Our kids are too nice.
Not that much.
Zachary is the same problem.
Yep. They gotta learn they can break rules.
Come on, Aaron.
All the way, big kick!
Go, Aaron!
Kick it hard!
Kick it! Oh, almost.
Now it's a good kick. Just,
Misdirected.
she should go far post. She misses front post and you got 20 feet.
I saw a cute little manicure they have online. It was
Like, that's
like
one thing I like
a
about
light
soccer.
silver, and then it was spider webs, real easy to paint, and then you with black, little skinny black brush, and then on this one you did like a little like two little circles on the legs. I'm not that artistic.
There's somebody I saw, I can't doing somebody's but they instead of
basketball,
here, like with the white, like they did white.
Oh, well, like the French tip? Like that.
Yeah, so you can at least see some
Oh,
progress.
Go, girls!
Come on, yellow defense, get up there.
Get up, man, get up!
Nice.
Good pass.
Go to Disney this fall, I might splurge and go get little mouse ones.
Aw, when you go to Disney? Thanksgiving?
Because I don't do it very often.
I'll have it with you. It's fun.
You should do like little mouse heads and then get like red and white polka dots like she has. Like Minnie Mouse. That's cute.
Corner.
But I'm wondering if it would wear
Oh,
off
still in.
before we got there.
Now,
Up corner.
if it's acrylic or gel.
We're leaving the day before.
Paige, kick it all the way.
Out for Thanksgiving. And we're going to the Everglades for a week, and then we're going to go to Disney for a week.
We just gotta get far post.
No, we just don't get school.
And where she's got her own laptop for school now, we're hoping we're going to take an hour a day. For
See, everybody far post, they can get that.
Take it out, take it out.
So far, it's never caused us a problem.
But yeah, I don't think it was taught. Like middle school's not too bad. High school, yeah. If you're taking like advanced classes and stuff. You don't think so?
Yeah,
Daddy was. You might. You got Daddy's
to advance. Advanced now.
Get there, Lauren.
Do you feel?
Oh,
Get up there, man, get up there! Get up there, man!
watch how far she kicks it, Ross. That wasn't that good.
That's good.
There you go, Paige. Fight for it.
Get there. Get there, Paige.
Shoot it! Shoot a long one! There you go. There it is. Good
All
job.
right.
You need to take some long ones too. It'll roll in.
It's like something else. I don't know how that happened.
It's our ball, Maddie. You gotta start, restart, reset.
Come on, Layla. Keep your head up.
Maxie. Walking, baby.
Maddie. Where's that, Maddie?
She chopped it good. I don't want to be playing travel for too long.
Stay with her. Stay with her, Maddie.
Come on, Maddie, that's you.
Back up, Maddie. Back up.
Then I think next year instead of going to Disney at Thanksgiving, because she'll be in 8th grade.
Right.
This is so hard for her to keep up. I mean, our spring break is so late that Micah's opening day will be past that we're going to go during spring break.
Oh, that's
I
good.
don't think he has been.
Oh yeah, spring break next year.
Come on, Blue.
Easter's
Almost
April 20th.
Yeah,
Is Easter.
and we did that 3 years ago when it was late, and there was nobody
Oh,
there
handball.
Really?
as far as Disney goes.
Oh,
Kick it in, kick it in. Oh, kick it in.
I know. I think
Kick it in, yellow.
on our Disney partners.
Let's go, go, go.
oh, that's good.
All right, Paige, you got it.
All right. Well, it's way down there though.
Take that throw.
Yellow, get back. All right, yellow, steal it and pass it up.
I don't know, we'll see how the combo is.
I get my own bed. Please, God.
Just like
Did you get
that.
a suite, Mike?
This time we're staying off property because the prices have just went up so much.
Really?
So we found a condo for the whole four condo is only $700.
That's
All right,
not
Lexi, shoot it, Lexi.
Bed, so I'm not like.
So, and you drive down there?
Yeah.
Cause I wore socks today when I have to share a bathroom. She's only mad at me and I don't come in there.
She was mugging her.
Take the kick. Pass it. Back up. Back up, Paige. Back up.
Paige, all the way. Paige, all the way to the net. It's a free kick right here.
But it's not. It's a foul. They're not used to foul. They don't really call.
Paige, all the way to the net.
They got the coach wall.
Yeah, I was like, what happened?
Paige, all the way and Paige to the net, Paige. Nice. Oh.
Oh, it's hot now. I put off my coat. This thing is warm. This is. I got a Land's End Polar Tech 200.
Yeah.
It's warm. They have it here.
Really? I'll go check that out. I can just add it to the next order after do because all of our stuff, all of our
Also
shirts
here?
have to come from Land's End.
Land's End, yeah, it's nice. It's warm. They have. This is the parka. I got it longer to cover my rear end. And it's got a hood.
There's like 2 other suppliers you can get them from, but
Yellow, get back, yellow.
Do you, can you, so what kind of? It's not a uniform, is it?
It is, but it's not. I mean, they have to wear like khaki, black, or green pants, and then our shirts have to say Caramel.
Okay.
But they just changed that because when we first started, it just had to be a polo shirt.
Really?
And then I think they figured out they could get
But oh yeah, but can you get like down like the
Ooh.
cute like button down shirts and so it
I
says
missed
Caramel?
Lexi's falling over her own feet. She did 3 times.
Yeah, I have sweaters.
Does the sweater have to say it? Or no?
yeah, everything has to
Kick back.
Yeah, any top has to have their name on it. Even like the fleece jackets and zip up fleece, they all have to say Caramel. Let me tell you, that's expensive.
Go right to Aaron. Go right to Aaron.
Yeah.
I get all the.
Right in the middle, hard.
Yeah, me too.
There you go.
I don't mind the uniform though because it's not.
Get it, Aaron.
I don't know what I'm gonna wear.
Right.
Yes, you
Well,
do.
I was never really
Green
like that.
pants?
Aaron was.
Green pants?
For the boys, and
Oh.
they can do hundreds.
All right,
and
Lexi,
hundreds.
shoot it, Lex.
What do you have? Black and khaki, pretty much, and blue.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The girls they hate navy blue, so we're just all black. And
Well, I wear
Oh.
navy blue skirts. I won't wear navy blue.
And I think
What?
we can do
Any
black.
shoes you want?
Yeah. Within reason.
Can you wear flip flops?
Yes, if they are leather.
Yeah, they're like.
They're not like shower shoes, though. Yeah, like the Old Navy kind. Yeah. Did the teachers have uniforms?
No, they can.
You have to be professional.
Yeah.
But do you have days where you can like wear jeans and stuff?
Yeah, jeans, every other time.
Throw it right to Paige, and Paige will take it up. You don't have to pass it forward. Pass it backward.
Your day's fun because you're.
Be there, yellow. Be there.
Spirit Week this week before homecoming,
Yeah.
and they have like Twin Day and this next day and all
we do.
that.
So fun. Yeah.
Do they decorate hallways? Do you play at the senior, like the high school? Do they decorate hallways or floats or what?
They did the gym. They decorated the gym. But they don't decorate hallways. That's for high school.
Cindy's on
Yeah, high
that.
school.
Spirit. But because we have the old school spirit week and then high school spirit week before prom.
Oh, before prom.
Because when they do, yeah, because they can do all kinds of fun things.
Oh, everybody does it. We don't have Spirit Week before prom. We only have it before homecoming.
They had like celebrate somewhere. You can actually wear flip flops.
Bad throwing.
Do you have your dances at the school, or do they do it?
They do the prom, the senior. We have a different junior proms at the school. Senior proms somewhere else off site.
Take it up, take it up, take it up.
Prom, homecoming, all of it.
Even high school, senior prom, they do it.
There you go, outside, cross it, be in the front of the goal, girls.
We always rented a hotel. It's not that I.
Yeah, we went. My high school went to hotel, not hotel DuPont, but DuPont Country Club.
Nice.
They do like middle school dances and the 7th grade formal, the cafeteria for like homecoming, everything. They do that at the end.
Yeah, they do. What do you call it? Oops.
Oh, handball.
No, they're not gonna call it.
It's not calling anything.
No, they don't call handball. They usually hit the seat.
Lindsay needs to dribble. Good dribble that one. Fast.
She just needs
What's
to
this for
practice in the
practice?
back. Like you don't practice.
I do. He doesn't want to. Go, Lance, go!
Dribble, Lance! Dribble, Lindsay!
There you go.
Stay with it, Lance!
Good job, good job. She stayed with her. Stayed with her on that one. She gets the ball. She won it.
Throw hard, Lance, over your head.
Nice, nice, nice. Shoot it. Far post. There it is, right
Go,
there.
go, oh.
Get that!
That's a goal.
No, she's already scored.
Shoot it.
Lindsay's not in there. I can see her.
You got nobody to shoot right there.
She's already scored 2 goals, that little girl.
That's it!
Oh.
Yeah, Paige!
Blue.
Come on, Blue.
Blue. Yellow, get back. Yellow back. Yellow back. Paige, get back a little bit.
One last push, come on, guys.
Yellow, get back again. Yellow back.
Go, go, yellow, go!
Stop her, girls. Get her.
Go get it, go get it. Come on, Blue.
Go, go, go. Oh, go, go, go.
Get it out of there. Out of there. Hard, hard.
Turn it outside. There you go. Nice move. Go get her. Go get her. Help her out, Blue. Stay with it. Help her out, Blue.
Go, send it!
Get up there, man. Get up there.
Outside, outside. Keep, keep.
Up.
He can pass back to the keep. I got to teach her that.
Funny that day.
The keep can't pick it up. Split it right.
Ooh.
Go, go, go! Kick it.
Olivia was telling me last night. I'm like, well, my spirit.
Hard one.
She goes, are you going to do? I'm like, no, but I might do color guard. She goes, color guard is fun because I did the tennis one. She goes, let me warn you in advance. Those flags are heavy because I used to have to in third quarter and pick them up.
Got all 4 blue shirts. Get it over to the left. We're good.
If I'd rather do that than mark
Corner again.
That's hard to do.
Zach,
Like, you
can you get me
this
souffles,
thing to
please?
hold the first line that they
He's
win.
a mess. I love that child.
Oh, get it.
Go, Lance! Turn it! Shoot it, Lance! Okay. Try to pass.
Just got to get possession, but it's all right.
Turn it, Lance! Turn it!
Just got to use her body. She's little. She's 10.
All right. Yes.
3-2. That was a good game.